Hello everyone. Today we are explaining a key system that makes the internet easy to use. DNS. Let's break it down. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It is the system that translates website names into an IP addresses. In simple terms, DNS is the internet's phone book. It helps your device find the correct server when you type a website name. Without DNS, we would have to memorize long numerical IP addresses. Why DNS matters? When you enter a website like google.com, your device does not understand names. It only understands IP addresses. DNS converts the name into an IP address in the background. This process happens automatically and instantly. Thanks to DNS, the internet becomes user-friendly. Let's see how DNS works. Here what happens when you open a website. First, your device sends a request to a DNS server. The DNS server looks up to the domain name. It finds the matching IP address. Then it sends the IP address back to your device. Your device uses that address to reach the correct website. This entire process takes milliseconds. There are few types of DNS records. DNS uses different types of records. The most common one is A record, which maps a domain name to an IPv4 address. There are also AAA records for IPv6 addresses, CNAME records for aliases, MX records for email servers. Each record has a specific purpose. Now let's see why DNS is important. The DNS makes website easy to access. It keeps the internet organized. It allows services to operate smoothly. It supports email, web browsers, and countless applications. It also improves performance through caching. It helps users to navigate the internet without confusion. Without DNS, the internet would be extremely difficult to use. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Syed Raza Tech Craft. See you in the next video.